Hi everyone, here we've got ZTE Axon 11 5G, and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let's go to the contacts. Here let's choose the contact you want to edit, let's tap on it and click on Edit Contact. Now let's choose this camera icon, and now you can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo. So let me pick choose a photo. Let's choose the picture you want to edit. And here from this step you can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact. I think it's quite okay, so if you're ready, click on Done and remember to click on Save. As you can see, the photo is immediately applied. Let's get back, and it also appears on your contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or text messages from that number. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your ZTE Axon 11 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.